Delightful Dolls here. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be making miniature slimes. And I thought it'd be kind of cool. I hope you guys enjoy. And also, in case you guys are wondering, I am back a week early than I said that I would be. But anyways, here's a shout out to Dolls for Life. And once I have 100 subscribers, I'm planning on giving a shout out every video. So as soon as we get there, I'll start giving some shout outs. Anyways, let's get on with this video. I want to also quickly mention that I'm not going to be using any music for this video because I want there to be some ASMR. So first we're going to be making a pom-pom mini slime. So I'm just putting in some white glue and then some activator. For my activator, I use borax and water, but you could use any other type of activator. Then just stir it for it to come together. Once it starts grabbing on the sides of the bowl, you'll know that it's ready to knead in your hands. And then I'm adding some of these mini cute little pom-poms to it. Next, I'm going to be making this pink crunchy slime. I'm just adding some glue, a small drop of red to make pink. Add some activator and stir it. Dip it in some beads. I'm using pink beads. And to make a little container, just cut out a little, I think these are from some vitamins. Cut out a little section, and then draw a little face on it with a marker, or paint works better, and then put the slime in it. Next I'm going to show you how to make this Oreo slime. You just want to make some simple white slime like we did before, then add some body lotion or hand lotion to it if it's a little stiff like mine was. And then it'll make it a lot less stiff and more slimy again. Then cut 2 pieces of black cardstock and you can give it a couple layers to make it thicker. Then draw on with pencil the Oreo symbol and how the cookie usually looks. Put the slime, white slime inside and the other cookie on top. Now the slime that's inside of the Oreo will start to turn gray since the cardstock is black and it'll eventually kind of get put into the white slime. So I'm actually going to turn this slime into some metallic slime. So I'm just adding some metallic acrylic paint. Now this is by far my favorite slime and I'm calling it Confetti slime. You're just going to start by making a simple slime again, this time making it blue. Activator, stir it up, and then you want to cut a whole bunch of little foam pieces just into strips and then into small little squares. And I repeated this with 2 other colors. Then put your slime into the little bits of foam, and you got yourself some confetti slime. Now for emoji slime. I haven't seen anyone else do this before, so hopefully I'm not taking someone else's idea. So you just want to start making some simple yellow slime. And then take a hole puncher and punch some little circles out of some yellow foam and then draw little emoji faces on them. And I drew a whole bunch. Then put them into the slime. And that's your emoji slime. Now, for the emoji slime, the felt or the marker will start to come off and go into your slime and color it. So this is more of a temporary thing. If you want it to last longer, then you could cover the little emojis in like nail polish. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in my next one. Bye!